Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the rear license plate light bulbs on Mercedes C-Class W203. That's the license plate lamps right there, that's one of them, and the other one is on the other side. There's two screws holding the lamps. We need to remove the two screws on one of the lamp and the other two screws on the other lamp, and then we'll be able to replace the bulbs. Now that the two covers are removed, we're going to remove the bulbs and replace them. That's one of the bulbs right there. We're going to pry it out with a screwdriver, and that's on the other side, the other one, but the other one is missing. We're going to pry out the bulb and then replace it with a new one. Now that the bulbs are replaced, next we're going to put the two covers back on and tighten the screws. And that's the license plate light bulbs replaced. Now we're going to turn the lights on to see if they work. We can see they both work, so that means we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.